the wheel set up in case you had any questions. So for the rears, I went with 305 45 17s from Mickey Thompson AT Street R's. They're very slick, but still legal for the street. So I mean, it's the best I could do for now because the SS's are actually on back order for a while. The Racestar wheels are 17 by 10.5 in the rears. In the front, they are 18 by 4.5. Those are wrapped in Mickey Thompson 26 by 6 tires as well. So Racestar provided me their lug nut set, and there was a huge issue with them aligning up. Like, it was just free spinning as if the threads were just all jacked up or whatnot. So I ended up putting the stock back on, and I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna take a discount tire because I bought this setup from them. And so I did, and they were, I mean, yeah, no issues whatsoever at their end. So I was able to finally put them on. I mean, I've had these wheels actually for, I mean, a year now. I mean, since I actually bought the car, I think. So it took some time, but with this power I'm putting down now, I definitely need this setup and need these wheels. So that's why I did it. I went with it just to have more traction, be a little safer out there. I did buy a dry shaft and half axles, but turns out that the 1LEs actually don't have that for this specific vehicle. So I have to return those, unfortunately, but I still do have my BMR suspension. So I'm gonna put those on. It cancels out the wheel hop, and then take the car to the track and just see what it can do. If y'all want to know the cost, I believe the TPMS sensors are around $260, $270. The Racestar wheels were about $1,100, $1,200. I got them a long time ago, so I don't recall. But the tires were $1,170. So that was a pretty good deal. So I went with that. And yeah, if you have any questions, check me out on Instagram. I actually see a good picture of the car before I post this video up. So if I really want to see some stuff that I'm doing and whatnot, definitely follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I'll be able to see some stuff before it really happens on YouTube or whatnot. I'm more active on that because it's a lot easier to post. So yeah, DM me if you have any questions.